We are discussing about the motor neuron diseases. Motor neuron diseases. The motor neuron diseases. What is the motor neuron diseases definition? What is the motor neuron diseases? The motor neuron diseases is a type of neurodegenerative diseases in which the death of neuron occur. And this is motor neuron disease, death of neuron occur. This disease, the death of neuron occur. The death of upper motor neuron and death of lower motor neuron occur. In this disease, the interior horn cell and spinal cord neuron death also occur. Interior horn cell and spinal cord, brain stem. In this region, cortical atrophy also occur. Cortical atrophy due to the death of neuron. What is motor neuron disease? Motor neuron disease is a type of disease in which the death of neuron occur. That is, upper motor neuron death occur, lower motor neuron death occur. Interior horn cell of spinal cord, in this side the death of neuron occur, and brain stem death of neuron occur. Now we will discuss the causes of motor neuron disease. Causes. Now we will discuss the causes of motor neuron diseases. We are discussing the motor neuron disease in causes. Number first, classification of the causes of the motor neuron disease is the structural lesion. Structural lesions in the CNS. The structural lesions may be parasagittal or foramen magnum tumors. Parasagittal or foramen magnum tumors. In the parasagittal or foramen magnum tumors, and other causes will be cervical spondylosis. Cervical spondylosis. Cervical spondylosis may be the cause of the structural lesion that cause motor neuron disease. Other causes is the Chiari malformation of the syrinx. Chiari malformation. Chiari malformation. Chiari malformation of the syrinx. The Chiari malformation of the syrinx can also cause the motor neuron diseases. The spinal cord arteriovenous malformation can also cause the motor neuron diseases. Spinal cord arteriovenous malformation. Arteriovenous malformation can also cause the motor neuron diseases. In this type of diseases, due to structural lesions, we investigate these lesions with the help of MRI scan of the head. With the help of the MRI scan of head. Also including the foramen magnum and cervical spine. The foramen magnum and cervical spine, we do also MRI of these regions. The infection can also cause the motor neuron disease. The example of these infection that causes the motor neuron diseases may be bacterial, viral. The bacterial is tetanus or Lyme disease. Bacterial causes of infection that cause the motor neuron disease. Bacterial, that is tetanus. The bacterial tetanus cause the motor neuron disease. Other is Lyme disease, can also cause the death of the motor neuron and causes the motor neuron diseases. The viral is poliomyelitis and herpes zoster. There may be viral infection that cause the motor neuron disease. This is polio and herpes zoster infection can also cause the motor neuron diseases. The retroviral myopathy can also cause the motor neuron diseases. The retroviral myopathy can also cause the motor neuron diseases. How we will investigate the causes in cases of infection? First of all, we give CSF examination. To determine the cause of the motor neuron diseases in cases of infection. We give also the CSF culture and culture of this organism. We give also the Lyme titer. We give the sample for Lyme titer to determine the Lyme diseases, and antiviral antibody. We also do these tests. Antiviral antibody test for the determination of the viral infection of the CNS that cause the neurodegenerative diseases due to infection. The other causes of the neuro or motor neuron diseases is the intoxication. Due to intoxication. The intoxication certain toxin can also cause the motor neuron diseases. The lead is a type of toxin that can cause the motor neuron diseases. And other toxin is aluminum. The aluminum can also cause the motor neuron diseases. The motor neuron disease can also be caused by the certain drugs, that is strychnine. The strychnine can also cause the motor neuron disease. That is, strychnine is a toxin. Strychnine can also cause the motor neuron diseases. Phenytoin can also cause the motor neuron diseases. Phenytoin can also cause The phenytoin can also cause the motor neuron diseases. What is the lab investigation in these cases? We give the 24-hour urine for heavy metals and serum lead level. We give the lab test serum lead level to determine the cause. If there is the cause is due to the lead, serum lead level. And we also give the 24-hour urine for heavy metals. 24-hour urine analysis. We collect the urine, we catheterize the patient and collect the 24-hour urine, and we analyze 24-hour urine for heavy metal. Heavy metals to diagnose the neuro disease, that is motor neuron disease. The immunologic mechanism can also cause the motor neuron disease. The example is plasma cell dyscrasis. Immunological example is plasma cell dyscrasis. The plasma cell dyscrasis can also cause the motor neuron diseases, and other autoimmune polyradiculopathy and motor neuropathy condition can also cause the motor neuron diseases. Polyradiculopathy can also cause motor neuron disease. Polyradiculopathy can also cause the motor neuron diseases. Other neuropathy, that is neural pathology, can also cause the motor neuron diseases. The motor neuron diseases can also be caused by the metabolic disorders. Now we discuss the metabolic causes of the motor neuron diseases. The hypoglycemia or hyperparathyroidism can also cause the motor neuron disease. Hyperglycemia, because the glucose, the high level of glucose is a toxic to the neuron and they cause motor neuron diseases. Hyperparathyroidism can also cause motor neuron disease. Hyperparathyroidism can also cause motor neuron disease, and parathyroidism, that is hyperparathyroidism. Hyperparathyroidism can also cause the thyroidism, can also cause the motor neuron diseases. And parathyroidism can also cause motor neuron disease. Parathyroidism, that is hyperparathyroidism or parathyroidism, can also cause the motor neuron diseases. But in this cases, this is hyperthyroidism, not hypo. Hyperthyroidism can also cause the motor neuron diseases. Deficiency of folate and vitamin B12 and vitamin E can also cause the motor neuron diseases. Deficiency of vitamin B12, folate deficiency, because the folate deficiency can also cause the motor neuron disease. They cause the encephalopathy, Korsakoff syndrome, due to folate deficiency. Folate deficiency, vitamin B12 deficiency can also cause the motor neuron diseases. Vitamin E deficiency can also cause the motor neuron diseases. This is due to malabsorption. The deficiency of copper and zinc can also cause the motor neuron diseases. If there is mitochondrial dysfunction in the metabolic process, they can also cause motor neuron diseases. For hyperglycemia, we investigate the fasting blood sugar, FBS, and hyperthyroidism and hyperparathyroidism. We give the hyperthyroidism, we give the thyroid function tests and hyperparathyroidism. We also give the thyroid function test and TSH level. We give the TSH. We investigate the TSH level and thyroid function tests. For the hyperparathyroidism, we investigate the calcium level. We investigate the calcium level. For the thyroidism, we give the TSH, the thyroid function test and TSH level, and parathyroidism, that is hyperparathyroidism, we investigate the calcium level, because the parathyroid hormone is the related with the calciums. We investigate the calcium level. We also investigate the parathyroid hormone PTH tests and thyroid function tests, and vitamin B12 deficiency, folate deficiency, vitamin D deficiency. For the vitamin B12 deficiency, we investigate and determine the vitamin B12 level, and for zinc, copper abnormalities or deficiency, we investigate the zinc and copper serum. We investigate the serum, copper and zinc level to determine the causes of the motor neuron disease. If there is mitochondrial dysfunction, we investigate the fasting lactate pyruvate ammonia, fasting lactate and pyruvate ammonia. Other causes of the motor neuron disease we will discuss now. The hyperlipidemia may cause the motor neuron disease. Hyperlipidemia can also cause the motor neuron disease, because there is lipid accumulation, atherosclerosis occur, there is less blood supply and less oxygen, there is ischemia occur, and motor neuron death occur. Other neuronal death may also occur. For the hyperlipidemia, we investigate the lipid electrophoresis. For the lipid electrophoresis for the hyperlipidemia. Hyperglyciuria can also cause the motor neuron disease. Hyperglyciuria, because the uric acid and urea are toxic. They must be excreted in the form of the urea. By the kidney, they are excreted. So the hyperglyciuria, that is hyperglyciuria is the glucose and urine, and hyperuricemia can also cause a motor neuron disease. Hyperglyciuria, we investigate the urine serum amino acids. We investigate the urine serum amino acids. By investigating the urine serum amino acids, we investigate the causes, that is hyperglyciuria. There are the hereditary causes that may also cause the motor neuron disease. Now we will discuss the hereditary causes of motor neuron disease. The hereditary causes are due to mutation in the gene. For example, C90ORF72. C90ORF72 gene mutation can also cause the motor neuron disease. Superoxide dismutase can also cause the motor neuron disease. TDP43 can also cause the motor neuron disease. FUS or ALS can also may cause the motor neuron disease. Androgen receptor defect can also cause the motor neuron disease. Androgen receptor defect can also cause the motor neuron disease. These are the genes that may involve in the motor neuron disease. That is C90ORF72, superoxide dismutase, TDP43. FUS is a gene mutation in the FUS can also cause motor neuron disease. And mutation in the ALS can also cause motor neuron disease. And androgen receptor defect can also cause motor neuron disease.